Well, as you can see, we had to remove the cover because of the bad weather, but it's about to, you know, it's getting better. It's going to fare up, so we're going to put the cover back on. And I'm going to prune up these tomatoes. And I've got more to pick. You can see it's just making tons more. So, yeah, it didn't hurt these one bit. That the strings, I got these heavy-duty strings that held up during that storm. So I'm impressed, actually, that these are still standing like this. So the next step is going to be maybe, see, I'm plagued by these leaf miners, so I'm using some spinosad. Gonna start employing that to see if it'll help with the leaf miners and let you know how it goes. Okay, here's an update on Tidy Treats. Wow, I think it has developed beautifully. Look at all these beautiful tomatoes on it. And they're normal sized cherry tomatoes too. Look at that. Under here I've been picking them. I've already been getting quite a lot of these. Let's see this. And they are delicious, I just have to say. Now, the spinosad is working. Can you see the former leaf miner damage? I have started spraying with spinosad. I think you say spinosad. Forgive me if I can't say everything right, but that is a result of the spinosad, but it's spelled with an A. So, and I've heard people say spinosad, so I'm confused. But anyway, there you go. There's the results of that particular organic remedy. It looks like it works. So I'm going to keep using that every week. And these are going in hanging baskets for sure. And here's the seedlings. Look at the seedlings. Seedlings are so pretty. We'll see if it looks like they're the same kind of, looks like this is a seed line. So I'm definitely going to be keeping seeds from this and using this every year. So this is pretty awesome. Love the results from the Tidy Treats. Well, I hesitated a bit to put the top on there, but we have more things planted. We got the cabbage is probably ready. Look at that. I think the cabbage is ready to harvest, which is awesome. I planted some sunflowers in here. And look at all the tomatoes. Looks like the tomatoes are about done. And I need to put the top back on the greenhouse, so it's time to pick all these. But I ended up having a really good harvest. I mean, I've been picking them for a long time. I've had enough tomatoes to keep me busy for a while through the winter. So, but now it's time to change, and we're gonna get these picked, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, you can see the change. The tomatoes are gone, except for one. I'm going to keep the Mountain Magic. I have pruned it up. It had some bad leaves on it, so I just pruned it up, and I believe it's indeterminate, so it will come back. It's got some little green ones right here. So I'm going to let that one stay because I can, keep it pruned. And over here, this is the harvest. Look, a whole tub of tomatoes. This is enough to keep us busy. These are the Tidy Treats right here. And I have cleaned up the plant and taken all the bad leaves off of Tidy Treats, and I'm going to spray with the organic remedy. So I don't know if this is determinate or indeterminate, but if it's determinate and it's going to die as soon as it's done making tomatoes, I have some seedlings here to take over. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.